Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and this is how to share a calendar in the new Google Calendar view. So I'm going to start with the calendar that I want to share. I want to share this volleyball calendar, and the way that I do that is I'm going to go to the three little dots and choose Settings and Sharing. From here, I need to scroll down, and I have a couple choices as to how I want to share this calendar. So one way would be to make it public. It's very rare that you're going to want to make a calendar completely public, but if you want to, you can do that right here. Okay, you can also make it available to anyone in Channelview ISD with the link. So let's just say I wanted to do that. I would check this, and I have the choice to either show only if I'm free or busy, or all event details. So I'm going to keep it at all event details. Then I want to get the link. So here's my link. Now I can email this out, or you can make it into a shortened URL or a QR code, but this is the link that people will need to add your calendar, okay? The second way would be to specifically share it with certain people. So if I wanted to add somebody, I can go in here and add, I'm just going to use my own account here, and I can choose different permissions. So the first way would just be able to see. That means they can see events, but cannot make any changes to them. Okay, you can also do see only, free, or busy. You can allow a person to make changes to events, or you can give them full rights to make changes and manage sharing. And I'm going to keep it as see all event details because I don't want anyone messing with my calendar, and I'm going to hit send. When I hit send, it's going to send that person a notification saying that that calendar has been shared with them, and then they will need to go in and accept the calendar to have it show up. Once you're done, you can just hit back to go back to your calendar. You don't have to hit save. It auto saves for you, and you're done.